Today I will tell you a very beautiful story. A story about a place we all know, nature. Once there was a little boy named Aro. Aro was curious and loved learning new things. One day he went for a walk in the forest. There he found a magical place, nature's very own little school. First, a big tree spoke softly. Aro, if you want to grow strong, learn to be patient, just like me. Aro smiled and walked ahead. A little further, he saw a flowing river. The river said, when life gets tough, don't stop, keep moving forward, just like I do. Then he reached a garden full of flowers. The flowers whispered, no matter how small you are, always spread kindness and joy, like our fragrance. At last, the bright sun came out and said, every day share a little light. Bring a smile to someone's face. Aro looked around, the tree, the river, the flower and the sun. Everyone was teaching him something. He softly said, thank you, nature. Today I learned that the real lessons are not only in books, they are hidden in the world around us.